Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I love satisfying cleaning montages, and I've also been letting this room get extremely messy so that I can make this video. Is that weird? If you guys are new here, this is my bedroom, and I moved into this room. This actually used to be one of our guest rooms, and then my old bedroom has all my clothes, my desk, a bunch of stuff from my apartment. And so I was in Michigan the past 2 weeks, which is where I go to college. When I came back, I started just like rummaging through my suitcase, and the room kind of got like a little cluttered. And then I decided that I would just let it get really out of hand because I wanted to make a video cleaning it and deep cleaning it. Will I regret letting it get so messy? Probably. This is my squishmallow. His name is Freddie. He's a kangaroo. Today's gonna be a big cleaning day, organizing day, get your life together day. I actually feel like these may be my favorite types of videos to make, so if you guys like them, let me know down below. Are you guys ready to see this room? I don't know if I'm ready because I'm embarrassed. Partially, I let it get out of hand because I wanted to make this video. Brace yourselves. Don't look at me like that. You amaze me. Okay, yeah, it's bad. Oh, it's so bright. Okay, here we are. I don't even know where to start. I know not all of these clothes are dirty, but I feel like I need to wash them all because they've been like mixed in with the dirty clothes. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through and basically just pick up everything and make some different piles because I'm definitely gonna have to do a lot of different loads of laundry today.
Where the hell do all these clothes come from? Are these dirty clothes?
Both.
How do you know what's what?
Alright, so I have a freaking lot of laundry to do. I have all these towels that need to be washed, blankets, and then I have 3 big piles of laundry. So let's go put the first load in. I don't really know like where to start. I guess I'll do this one. I feel like this isn't gonna work. Oh, she is beauty, she is grace. Oh my gosh. My biggest pet peeve is when I go to do laundry and there's stuff in the washer. I have to... It's my sister's. Thanks, Taylor. Alright, now I'm gonna clean up my desk. I have a bunch of things that are in my bedroom that I need to put away too. Fast and easy. The next day now. All my laundry is done. I have a ton of laundry to fold. Oh, this is literally the heaviest laundry basket. Open, leave it come out. Literally so much. Like, I honestly, putting it on here is pointless. I'm not even gonna be able to fold it on here. Wow. This is so much. What the? Literally, why do I have so many clothes? Okay, let's do it. sure this is a sweatshirt that I ordered from a frat at my school. If you guys don't know, I go to Michigan State University and I'm in Alpha Phi, which is a sorority there. Something about sororities and fraternities is that you're paired with one. So like Alpha Phi has their brother fraternity. Ours is Pi Kappa Alpha, or Pike. Oh my god, why is this so hard to open? And so I ordered a sweatshirt from them because the design was so cute. Isn't this cute? First of all, I love the light blue. I love it. Anyways, all my laundry's put away. I'm gonna do some vacuuming in here because I don't even know the last time that this carpet was vacuumed. We're actually putting hardwoods in this room because this carpet is super old, but let's vacuum it right now. Alright, I'm in the car because I'm getting really tired. I was up kind of late last night. I didn't go to bed until like 3:30. So I really want to take a nap right now, but I want to start cleaning out my closet. So we're gonna head to Starbucks. This will be my second Starbucks of the day. It's 1 o'clock right now. Just a little afternoon pick-me-up. Hi.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you. My friend Lauren, hi Lauren, she put me on this wave, the peach green tea lemonade, unsweetened. Yum. Right now I'm gonna go through my closet, put everything that I want to sell on my Poshmark up there on that clothing rack. That clothing rack is from Pottery Barn Teen. I'll link it down below in case you guys are interested. I love it so much. Also, my Poshmark will be listed down below. I'll show you guys some of the pieces after I sort through them. Some of the clothes that I'm going to be selling on my Poshmark. So my Poshmark will be linked down below for you guys. I'm here with Freddie. Do any of you guys have Squishmallows? I'm also going to show you guys what this room looks like in a second. Okay, I have listed all my clothes on Poshmark. Those are all some of like my favorite pieces of clothing. I just feel like I don't wear them enough anymore. And my room is all clean. I keep my bedroom or this room like clean majority of the time. I usually just have to like tidy it up every day as I do things. And same with that other room. It usually never gets like that. But it's all clean now and it feels really good. Side note, if you made it this far in the video, I have a secret. I am 99% sure that I will be moving back to Michigan into my college apartment that I lived in this whole year because my lease isn't up until August. That's a little secret for you guys. So getting that room all cleaned and under control, it'll be a lot easier for me to go through things and pack what I need. I'm gonna do an entire video on me packing everything up and the move back. I also just get like so much satisfaction from cleaning. It's something that I do that really relaxes me whenever I'm stressed out or like not feeling great. Cleaning always helps me clear my mind. So it was pretty stressful for me to let that room get like that. I think for like a week I was kind of just throwing things all over the place because I knew I was making this video, and it honestly made me feel pretty shitty. Okay, here is what the room looks like now. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Give this one a thumbs up so that I know that you guys like these types of videos. If there's any specific video idea or anything, let me know down in the comments. Oh, I'm out of breath. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media so that we can be friends. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!